demonstration of gua sha. First I'm using some oil. You could use any oil. This is a Chinese herbal oil called Posamon, and we used to make fun of this and call it porcelain. That has a very nice smell, has a very nice relaxing feeling. It really fills up the whole room with that smell. If you try to do the gua sha while on the dry skin, you won't get the same movement friction. So just a tiny bit, not too much, but I'm just covering the neck area that I'm going to work on here with the oil. If you're doing the technique, it starts to get really dry, you can always reapply some oil on there. So I'm using this gua sha tool to start. And I'm just going to start with this up and down movement. So I'm doing it pretty vigorously, just going up and down. I'm going to do the whole surface of the neck, so I'm just starting with one side, but I'm also going to move to the other side here, up and down. If someone has neck tension or stiffness, they're going to feel a lot of release with this. So I'm going up and down. Usually the skin will start, as it responds, will start to get a little red, could show some irritation. With his skin color here, we might not see that same redness. And then you can start to go a little bit faster once you've created this invigoration. So this is getting all of the griva marma points that are running parallel to the spine, one unguli lateral. I'm getting all of those in one shot with this stimulation. If one side of the neck is a little bit stiffer than the other, then I might do it on that side a little bit longer. So that's basically the technique, very easy to do. Just going top to bottom, back and forth. I'm just alternating between right and left sides. And you would keep doing this until you start to see some of that redness there. So usually the technique takes about 2, 3, 4 minutes or so. This is something in Chinese medicine we also do to boost up the immune system. If someone has a cold, cough, any type of respiratory symptoms like that, some of these points are connected to the immune system. And so after doing this technique, the one thing that you want to do is protect the area. So it's good to wear a scarf or a sweater, something where you're keeping the neck covered so it's not exposed after you've done this technique. Also, if someone has like a stiff neck and you do this, usually afterwards I'll have them turn the head to the right or the left and see how much improvement you start to notice with their range of motion.